One of our questions to ourselves as practitioners is, how can we help children to choose things when they're very young? How does that work? And I think that it's all about paying attention to the situations and experiences that we offer children. On an adult level, choice only works if it's well-informed choice. You can't properly choose something unless you really know what the options are. And the same works for very young children. So, you know, it's no good just saying in a blank room, what would you like to do now? That doesn't really help. What they need is a manageable environment for them to operate their wish to make choices. And we've got plenty of evidence that they both wish and need to make choices. When children are when you've got babies, you could argue that babies never make choices because they're just not old enough. But hang on a minute, there's that whole thing about treasure baskets, isn't there? And the way that as soon as a baby can even sit up propped on pillows, if you put a lovely treasure basket which has got all sorts of real life things in it beside that baby, and you give them real attention, because the thing about treasure baskets is you don't dump it down and go away, do you? You have to stay there and hold the baby in your mind, but not interfere. And that's what that baby needs. And they make choices about, that's the first time they can really think, I'll have that, but I don't want that. And I want what he's got around there. So it's all of that ability to make choices and the need to very young. But then, of course, when you get older, you get much more sophisticated decision-making by children. And that's right at the heart of that sense of internal locus of control about making your own choices. And, you know, what do I want, or what does she want me to say? And we need to give children lots of manageable experiences to do those things.